Hello everyone and welcome back to AK Academy and PlannerApp. Today we have a very interesting video. It's going to be related more to MudBlazor more than Blazor itself, which is implementing the dark mode and light mode for the user. So the user could change from dark to light and vice versa, and then we can store the state in the browser. So next time the user opens the application, he's going to see the exact same thing. So I'll switch to the browser, and here I am in the API right now, the MudBlazor. And if we go to, as you can see the sample that shows for you over here, if we click toggle, you can see that we can switch between those colors, which is amazing. This is what we are going to achieve. But next time we want to refresh, we want to see it also in dark. We don't need to let the user every time opens to switch between them. And if you go to customization, you can see over here that they have what's called theming. And this is, the guys who implemented this are super amazing. They made it super simple for us. And as you can see, the documentation is very simple. All we can do is just follow what they have, and it's going to be ready. So let's go right now. First of all, make sure in your main layout you have added the Mud theme provider. This is the first and the most important thing. So let's add this. It's already there. If not, make sure just to add that, and then let's move this code to the code behind file. So we have more freedom, more writing. Okay, let's get rid of all this stuff that is not needed. And right now, I will inject the iLocal storage service. Right, we need this because this one, I'll call it local storage, because we are going to use this one to basically store the chosen SIM within the browser. So we have what is called a Mud theme. As you can see over here, we have a type or a class called Mud theme. So we're going to create an instance from that called current theme, and by default it's going to be null because we have two themes, dark theme and light theme. So we're going to create two, and then we will be able to switch between them by setting the value of the current theme. So this is the current one. Let us right now implement Mud theme dark equals a new, and Mud theme, or yeah, let's keep this. We are going to copy it later. So in the dark theme, you see that here we have what is called palette, and I will set a new, and all what you need to do is actually fill the colors of those, not all of those. Like the text is somehow clear, or the name of the property of what you are going to expect from this, but we will fill just some of them just to make it look good, because we are not using all the controls. So we will start first by app bar background. So this one is the background of the app bar at the top, and I'm gonna switch back to the browser and open HTML colors code, and I will pick this one. So here we go. Let's see. For the app bar at the top, I'm gonna choose, let's pick this for the dark mode, and for the light mode we need this one. I like this. I like basically this blue. So we are gonna use it like that. Then app bar text, the color is going to be basically white. So just like that. So now let's set the primary color, which is currently it is the what it was? Yeah, it is the purple one of the MudBlazor, but let's switch it actually for just a little bit darker than this, and then you have all the freedom. And this one is not like a primary text equals white, and background. The background is going to be a very dark blue. Come on. Here we go. text secondary. We are going to use like a gray for this. I'm not sure what is this one actually, but we have like to try a little bit. Or let's use this. Paste. That's good. Now let's use. We need the drawer or the nav menu that on the left. This is called the drawer. So we set drawer background to something lighter than the background, something like that. Drawer text, it's going to be white as well. We need another F, I think. Yeah, that's right, we need another F. And what also do we have? Let's see what they have. I think, yeah, for the cards and things like this, those called surface. You need to set the color of this surface for those cards. It's going also to be the same, but again a little bit lighter. I don't know how this will look like, but yeah. Okay, for text, what do we have for text? Cool. I think for the second and all the stuff, we need all to be the same. So let's have those properties only for now, and then let's set on initialized async. I'm gonna use async, but for now I will just set current theme equals dark theme, and I will set async over here. We're not going to use it at this moment because we are going to use the asynchronous calls in the local storage. So that's good. This is it. We have created this. Now we set the current theme, and just for now we set it straightforward to the dark one. And now here you have a property called theme equals current theme. So this is it. It's very simple. Hopefully it's going to work. We don't need any other kind of colors. So let's run the app and see what we are going to get. Oh, cool, look at that. This is nice, right? Somehow. And but yeah, it is not very dark, but still, like, it is a little bit dark. That's good. If you open up this one, I think we need a darker colors for this and for the cards, and we need a little bit darker for this one, and we need to change the color of the disabled things, I think. So that's good. Let's set them very quick. Let's say, first let's choose a darker color for the cards, color like that. This is the surface, and for the drawer also we need something just a little bit lighter, or we can use the same for the drawer, so they are consistent. We don't have too much variance. And for the disabled, okay, action disabled, I think this is the bottom. Okay, let's choose. Okay, let me see from where, for example, this color of the edit, this color is very dark. So let's see. Action default. Okay, this is the color of the action default. So let's use action default. Let's set it to this blue of the app bar. And we still have this color. Wow, this is the color of this disabled button is looking weird. So what is the background? Action disabled. So let's set action disabled. Okay, let's go over here. And bring just a little bit lighter color. Text disabled. We need it to be gray. So let's stop the app and run it one more time, just to see what you're going to get. Yeah, this is a little bit cooler than what we have, and yeah, this is far way better, right? The colors over here are more clear. The variance between the colors is like a little bit better. If we go to add plan, over here this is good, but we have a problem that this one looks a little bit ugly. Why we have those titles? I think how we can discover from where those titles are coming from. So if we click inspect element, let's see if they are being used. Okay, let's see which one is this. Oh, sorry, should search over here. It is the drawer background and the surface as well. Okay, I think I have to discover the name of this property. I'll discover the name of this property and we can fix the. I will mention the fix in the next video. So we just save time for this video instead of looking for it, because what I'm gonna do actually to fix that, I will just try. It's not going to be like a debugging experience or things like that. So, but in general, somehow like this looks good. Now let's go ahead and implement the light theme. The light theme, we're going to just copy this. And we are going to call this one light theme. The up bar background going to stay the same. The primary color going to stay the same. The background is of course going to be this blue. Like let's pick a very, this one. Text, of course, we need the text to be almost black. Drawer background, the background of the drawer, we need it to be this blue. Drawer text is going to be again almost black. There is no any kind of consistencies over here, but yeah, that's not bad. We are going to use the drawer background, the same for the surface. And for the action default, which is that button, I'm going also to use the same for the text color. Text disabled. Let's use this. So let's try this light theme. This kind of cocktail. So, sorry, what we need to do is to set over here, light theme, save, and run one more time. And let's see what you're going to get. Oh, that's ugly. Or not bad, no? Like we just need to change this one, but wow, this is Oh no, this is very bad. Yeah, we need lighter color of everything, especially for this one. And yeah, that's very very bad. So for the text primary, this time we need it to be drawer text primary. We need this one to be something very deep color. For the background, we need it to be very lighter, and for the surface as well, we need it to be also a little bit lighter. So let's run one more time. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is far better. Yeah, I think somehow I liked it. Somehow, not bad. We can switch. All is good. All is good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Awesome. So I think this is what we need for the palette. So right now, let's implement the switch mechanism between both. In the over here, we should add, after the login display, we should just add a little button that's called mud icon button. Icon equals add icon dot filled colorize color lens. I don't know what's all those colors, but yeah, let's use this. Color of the button is going to be color dot default, I think. What is the name of the color that we have used for the login display? Let me see. If we click F12, mod menu, icon, color dot default. Yeah, so let's use color dot default. Cool. And we will use on click, change theme async, just like that. So let's go to the background, and over here, private async task, change theme async. So we will use, actually, I'm gonna create a very basic variable over here, call it theme name equals, by default it's going to be light, of course, like any other website. And we type over here if theme name equals light. So what we have to do is to say current theme equals dark theme, because right now it's light and we want to change it to dark, and theme name gonna be dark, and we have to store in the local storage this variable, and let's do the same. So if it is dark, then set it to the light theme. Set it to the light, and after you finish, update local storage dot set item as a string async, and the key is going to be theme, and the value is going to be theme name. So right now we change it and we store it in the local storage. We will test this if this is working fine, and then we will just instead of having it always light, we are going to retrieve it from the local storage by default. If the user changes it to dark, then the next time he opens, he should see it as dark. So let's see what we are going to get over here, and hopefully this button is gonna look good. Okay, here we go. We have this one, and if we click, boom, look at that. It is looking right now dark, which is good, but we lost those buttons because those, I think, using the value default, and we haven't set a value for default. And in both cases, it should be light. White. So yeah, look at that. This is looking far way better. And if you open up the application section over here, application, and if you go to local storage, Here we have theme, dark. And if I switch it, it became light. That's amazing. This is all what we need. Right now, let's fix this default thing. I will go. Oh. So for the dark theme, it is good, but for the light theme, it is this one. What is this color? Oh, both have the same value. Why they are not being shown over here? Text primary. Okay, we have to run it again to discover the name of the property and why they are not being shown in the dark mode, sorry, in the light mode. Okay, so, sorry, they disappear in the dark mode, not in the light mode. That's because, okay, if you open up this, they are using the default, and I think what we have to do is to take this default from the light and use it in the dark, just like that. Let's give it one more try. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, this is good. So we managed to do that. Right now we are storing, we are changing. Let's just, sorry, we should stop instead of run. Cool. So everything is good. Right now what you have to do is to check for the theme if local storage that contains key async that's called theme. If it contains that theme, then that means, okay, sorry, this should be await, then theme name equals await local storage dot get item as a string async and the item called theme. So bring it. If not, then by default keep theme name for light. I think we already initialized it for light. We did already. Yeah, right, we did already over here. So after doing so, all they have to do is just to say current theme. Sorry, if theme name equals light, then use this one. Other than that, use this one. Right? So let's take a look at this. I think this is all what we need to do for this video. It's a little bit long, but yeah, still interesting. We are using colors and painting and creative stuff. Very creative. Okay, cool. Oh, look at that. It is by default dark, and if we change it to light and we click refresh, we're gonna see it in light. Come on. Okay, here we go. And if we change it to dark and we refresh, we are gonna see it in dark. So this is it. Right now we have theming working very fine. We have some cool colors. I don't know if they are cool, but still not bad. And this is all what we have for this session. I hope you enjoyed it. And in the next one, we are gonna finally, every time we type exception and we say to do log this exception, we are gonna see how to handle those exceptions globally and what we can do for them to discover all the options. And yeah, don't forget at the end to hit the like, subscribe button to support us to continue with more and more courses and videos, hopefully, and things like that. So thank you so much and see you in the next one.